Biafra as a country, as a region, will never happen. But the idea of Biafra, I think it can happen. The idea of Biafra that I'm talking about here is the idea that the Igbo people, we see ourselves as, I don't want to say superior, but we see ourselves as people who are our ingenuity can get us out of any difficult situation. So that idea of Biafra, it can happen in the Southeastern region in Nigeria, but it's not happening. It's not happening. If you go to places like Ebonyi State, you go to places like even Abia State where I'm from, you go to places like Anambra, go to places like Enugu, you go to places like Imo, you don't see this Biafra happening there. And what do I mean by the Biafra happening there? This utopia that Igbo want for themselves, you don't see it happening there. You don't see the good roads. You don't see the 24-hour secure electricity. I know some people are going to come for me and be like, oh, secure electricity is from the federal government and all that good stuff. Not necessarily. Not necessarily. You don't see security. You don't see secure states. You don't see secure borders. You don't see basic infrastructures, basic amenities given to the people.